Hey, hello. Thanks for joining me. So I'm currently outside at the moment, but I'll be heading indoors, not least to get out of the cold, but primarily because I have some potatoes there that need to be sprouted or chitted. So I'm gonna go in and do that. My egg box is ready. And now to investigate the spuds. The last video that I did with them, they were sprouting like crazy, and I put them in a little bit of a darker space. But as it turns out, I think it was a little bit too warm because they're sprouting again. But that's alright. What I'll do is I'll take those two off, and I'll leave that one on because it's quite small, and it will become green. And well, probably a little purple first, and then green. And I'll place them all in the egg box, and yeah. Get to doing that now. Well, that's way more than I need anyway, but I'll prep them all up anyway. That one's more or less ready to go. So they're quite small, but it doesn't mean that they won't produce a decent healthy plant. Naturally I ate all the bigger ones. So goodbye. And then with that, I'm just on like that until egg boxes are filled. They're all in their new homes, and it's just a matter of popping them up onto the windowsill in perfectly indirect sunlight, about 10 degrees or so. I'll leave them on the windowsill for as long as it takes for them to start becoming a little bit purple and a little bit green and a little bit bushier, and I'll check in on them and make a little video or a short, whatever, in about a week's time or so, just to see the progress. And I hope you join me then. And in the meantime, if you like this kind of content, suburban vegetable growing and related content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Slán.